kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Quantum mechanics and free will, now that's a fascinating rabbit hole to dive into. It's like mixing a bit of science with a splash of philosophy and a dash of what if. Let's break it down, shall we? First off, quantum mechanics is this wild, mind-bending branch of physics that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe. We're talking atoms, electrons, photons, the really small stuff. The rules down there are nothing like our everyday world. Things can be in multiple states at once. Thanks to our buddy Schrodinger and his cat, particles can be entangled over vast distances, and there's inherent uncertainty in everything. Shout out to Heisenberg. Now, where does free will come into all this? Well, free will is the idea that we can make choices that aren't predetermined by past events. It's like saying, hey, I can choose to have a chocolate ice cream or a vanilla one, and nothing in my passing my hand, or my taste buds. For a long time, the universe was seen as this big, deterministic machine. Think Newtonian physics. If you knew all the rules and all the starting conditions, in theory, you could predict everything. This viewpoint doesn't leave much room for free will, because if everything is predetermined, where can free choice fit in? Enter quantum mechanics, stage right. This theory threw a wrench into the works of determinism because it says, hold up, you can't know everything for certain. There's always a bit of unpredictability. Does this open the door for free will? Maybe. Some folks think that because quantum mechanics allows for randomness and uncertainty at a fundamental level, it might provide a gap for free will to squeeze through. Like, maybe our brains are using quantum processes to make decisions in a non-deterministic way. It's a bit like our thoughts and choices are the quantum particles dancing to their own unpredictable tune. But, and there's always a but, others argue that randomness doesn't equal free will. Just because something is random, like a radioactive atom decaying, doesn't mean it's making a choice. If our brain's decisions were just random quantum events, that wouldn't really be free will as we like to think of it. It would just be randomness. And then there's the whole debate about consciousness and quantum mechanics. Some theories suggest that consciousness itself might be a quantum process. But this is super speculative and veers into the realm of, we really don't know what we're talking about yet. Thank you for watching my video.